If Pixlr is showing a browser error, a browser not supported message, or getting stuck in a reload loop, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. We'll cover how to enable hardware acceleration, clear site-specific data, disable conflicting extensions, and verify whether WebGL is working properly in your browser. These are the same fixes that solve the issue for most people, and they're quick to try, even if you're not very technical. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes and step-by-step guides just like this. Alright, let's start with the most common cause of this Pixlr browser error. WebGL or hardware acceleration being turned off. Pixlr needs your browser to use your graphics card properly, and if that feature is disabled, the editor may refuse to load or show a support error. If you're using Chrome or a Chromium-based browser, go to your browser settings first, then look for the System section. Inside System, find the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Make sure this is turned on. If it was already on, you can still toggle it off and back on again just to refresh the setting. Once you've done that, fully close your browser, not just the tab, and reopen it completely so the change can take effect. This step alone fixes the issue for a lot of users because Pixlr relies heavily on WebGL for its editor interface and image processing tools. If the browser can't access your GPU properly, Pixlr may think your browser isn't supported even though it actually is. Now let's move on to the next fix, which is clearing site-specific cache data. Sometimes Pixlr gets stuck in a please reload loop because old cached files are conflicting with the current version of the site. This is especially common if the site recently updated or if something was interrupted during a previous session. To clear just Pixlr's cache data, open Pixlr in your browser and then press F12 to open Developer Tools. Once Developer Tools are open, look at the top left area of your browser where the refresh button is. Right-click the refresh button and you should see an option called Empty Cache and Hard Reload. Click that option. What this does is force your browser to ignore the old files and load everything fresh from the website. It's one of the best ways to fix loading issues, broken buttons, and strange looping behavior without wiping out your entire browser history. If Pixlr still isn't loading properly after that, the next thing to check is whether a browser extension is causing the problem. Ad blockers and privacy extensions are common culprits because they sometimes block scripts that Pixlr needs in order to run correctly. A really easy way to test this is by opening Pixlr in an incognito or private window. On most browsers, you can do this with Ctrl, Shift and N on Windows or Command, Shift and N on Mac. Open Pixlr there and see if the editor loads normally. If Pixlr works in incognito, that's a strong sign that one of your extensions is interfering with it. In that case, go back to your normal browser window and disable your ad blocker or any other suspicious extensions one by one. You can also whitelist pixlr.com so the site is allowed to load all of its necessary scripts. This is a really important step because many browser errors aren't actually caused by Pixlr itself. They're caused by something in the browser environment blocking the app from working the way it should. Now, for the final check. Verify whether WebGL is actually working on your device. Even if hardware acceleration is enabled, WebGL might still be failing because of an outdated browser, old graphics drivers, or a driver compatibility issue. To test this, go to get.webgl.org in your browser. If WebGL is working, you should see a spinning cube on the page. If you see the cube, that means your browser can handle WebGL and the issue is probably something else, like cache or extensions. But if you do not see the cube, that means WebGL is not functioning properly. In that case, update your graphics drivers first, because outdated GPU drivers are one of the most common reasons WebGL fails. You should also make sure your browser is fully updated to the latest version. After updating, restart your computer if needed and try Pixlr again. So to quickly recap, first, enable graphics acceleration and restart your browser. Second, clear Pixlr's cache with a hard reload. Third, test in incognito and disable conflicting extensions if needed. And fourth, check WebGL's status and update your drivers or browser if the spinning cube doesn't appear. If you followed all of those steps, there's a very good chance Pixlr will open normally again. If this tutorial fixed your browser error, please give the video a like and subscribe for more practical tech tutorials, software fixes, and simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.